I am Sandy Gentry with the Sandy Gentry team, Remax Lakeshore. Welcome to 18635 North Fruitport Road in Spring Lake, Michigan, also known as Casa del Lago. Translated means castle upon the water. Allow me to show you this beautiful waterfront home. And one of my favorite features in this incredible home would be the kitchen. I love this massive quartz island, all the custom cabinets, integrated appliances, commercial grade appliances. We have a beverage center and a wet bar over here. And of course, from standing in this spot, you have incredible views of the lake. With over 400 feet of water frontage, almost 4 acres, absolutely prime Spring Lake water frontage set out on a point. It has a beach area, dockage, plenty of entertaining area. For more information on this one-of-a-kind Spring Lake waterfront home, please contact the Sandy Gentry team at 935-1150.